The world of cryptocurrency is changing fast, and according to Raoul, there are massive shifts on the horizon for XRP and the entire crypto market by 2025. If you're an investor in XRP or someone who's been watching the crypto space, you can't afford to miss what's coming next. The market has been unpredictable, with regulatory hurdles, technological advancements, and massive institutional shifts all playing key roles in how cryptocurrencies, especially XRP, will evolve. Raoul has been a prominent voice in the financial world, known for his accurate market predictions. Now, he's sharing his warning for what we can expect in the next few years, and it could mean big changes for your investment strategy. In this video, we'll break down exactly what he's predicting and why you need to pay attention to these developments. You may think you know where XRP is headed, but after hearing Raoul's insights, you might rethink everything. Raoul isn't just another crypto analyst making wild guesses. He's a former hedge fund manager with a deep understanding of global markets and the forces that drive them. He has built a reputation on making predictions that many have found to be incredibly accurate, and now he's warning the world about what's ahead for XRP and the broader crypto market. His analysis focuses on the macro trends that are shaping the future of digital currencies. As someone who has seen it all in traditional finance, Raoul has unique insights into how the crypto market is poised to grow and face challenges. His warning about XRP and other cryptocurrencies is not one you can ignore. There are major shifts in regulation, technology, and global finance that will impact how digital currencies are used and how their value will change over the next few years. This isn't just about a few price movements here and there, it's about understanding the long-term changes that will redefine what XRP and crypto assets mean in the global economy. Raoul's warning focuses on the need for investors to be prepared for regulatory changes and institutional moves that could significantly impact the value of XRP. If you think XRP's rise or fall in the next few years will just follow the same pattern as it has in the past, think again. The coming years could be full of opportunities for those who understand the big picture trends, but they could also bring massive risks for those caught off guard. With the crypto market's future in flux, it's crucial to know exactly what's ahead. Let's dive into what Raoul is predicting for XRP and the crypto world in 2025, and why his warning could change your investment strategy forever. Raoul isn't just another voice in the cryptocurrency world, he's a seasoned financial expert who has a deep understanding of both traditional finance and the evolving digital asset space. Before becoming a prominent figure in crypto, Raoul had a successful career as a hedge fund manager. He's the co-founder of Real Vision, a platform known for offering high-level financial analysis and interviews with some of the brightest minds in the investment world. His expertise in macroeconomics, global financial markets, and investment strategy has earned him a solid reputation, particularly for his ability to predict big trends before they happen. In the world of crypto, Raoul has been an outspoken advocate for understanding the long-term shifts that will drive the market forward, making him one of the most trusted voices when it comes to predicting the future of digital currencies like XRP. One of the reasons why Raoul's predictions stand out is his ability to look at the bigger picture. While many crypto analysts focus on short-term price movements or speculation, Raoul dives deep into the macroeconomic forces shaping the future of money. His ability to analyze the connections between traditional finance and the emerging world of digital assets gives him a unique perspective. For example, Raoul has been one of the most vocal proponents of the idea that cryptocurrencies, including XRP, could become an integral part of the global financial system in the coming years. His insights into how central banks, governments, and institutions will influence the future of crypto give investors a framework to understand what's coming next, not just in terms of price but in terms of overall adoption and regulatory shifts. Throughout his career, Raoul has made bold predictions that have been surprisingly accurate, even when they went against the grain. He was one of the earliest voices calling for the growth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and decentralized finance (DeFi), and many of his followers have found that his long-term outlook has been invaluable. With his track record of predicting major trends, it's no surprise that many investors now turn to Raoul for insights into what will happen next in the world of crypto. And when he warns that XRP and the broader crypto market are on the brink of significant shifts by 2025, it's not just speculation, it's based on years of experience and a deep understanding of the financial system. Knowing his background and the success he's had in predicting market movements, it's easy to see why his latest warning about XRP is one that investors should take seriously. Let's take a closer look at what Raoul has to say about the future of XRP and crypto in the next few years. As we look ahead to 2025, it's clear that both XRP and the broader cryptocurrency market are in for major changes. The crypto space has already seen explosive growth over the last decade, but Raoul warns that the next few years will bring even more transformation. According to Powell, by 2025, we'll see a much clearer regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies like XRP, which will help boost investor confidence and drive even greater institutional adoption. One of the biggest challenges that XRP has faced over the years is regulatory uncertainty, and this has held the cryptocurrency back in many ways. However, with the growing recognition of cryptocurrencies as an essential part of the global financial system, governments and regulators will be forced to provide clearer guidelines. In Powell's view, this regulatory clarity will play a huge role in XRP's rise over the next few years. Right now, XRP is already used by several large financial institutions for cross-border payments, and Raoul believes that this trend will only accelerate as more institutions recognize the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of using blockchain technology. The rise of central bank digital currencies (CBDCs) and the shift toward digital-first finance are helping to pave the way for XRP to be more widely adopted, especially in the context of global remittances and international transactions. XRP's unique ability to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border payments puts it in a strong position to benefit from these trends. In Powell's eyes, 2025 is when we will see XRP truly come into its own as a foundational piece of the financial infrastructure for the global economy. The regulatory clarity, along with the growing interest from financial institutions and governments, will drive XRP to new heights. However, it's not just XRP that will experience growth in the next few years. Powell sees the entire crypto market evolving in profound ways. While many of the leading cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, will continue to dominate, new digital assets and decentralized technologies will emerge as well. The shift from traditional finance to decentralized finance (DeFi) will continue to pick up momentum, and Powell believes that this will lead to a greater integration of cryptocurrencies into the traditional financial system. Central banks are already exploring CBDCs, which could help bring even more institutional legitimacy to the crypto market. By 2025, Powell predicts that digital assets will no longer be seen as a niche market, but will be fully integrated into the mainstream economy. This shift will not only impact the price of XRP, but will also help push the entire cryptocurrency market to new levels of adoption and acceptance. The question is, will investors be ready for this massive transformation, and how can they position themselves to benefit from the opportunities ahead? In Powell's opinion, the future of XRP is incredibly bright, but it's not just about the technology or adoption, it's about how the broader financial landscape will evolve. As we move closer to 2025, the integration of crypto into traditional finance will unlock a new era for digital currencies, and XRP will play a critical role in this evolution. The regulatory clarity, adoption by financial institutions and growing global demand for digital assets will create a perfect storm for XRP's rise. If you're an investor or simply someone watching the space, it's important to understand the long-term